What if I told you that the tomato you've been growing your whole life might actually be the reason your yield keeps disappointing you every single season? Yeah, most gardeners just grab whatever seeds are on sale, plant them, and then wonder why their harvest looks sad by August. But today, that changes. We found 21 tomato varieties that are about to completely shift how you think about your garden, and some of them you can literally grow in a bucket on your porch. Stay with me, because number 14 on this list stopped us dead in our tracks when we saw how much fruit one single plant produced. Welcome back to Earthly Gardening, the place where we grow smart, spend less, and eat better straight from our own backyard. If you're new here, so glad you found us, hit that subscribe button right now, because we drop practical garden content every single week that's actually built for real people with real budgets. And to everyone coming back, you already know what we're about. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, do me one quick favor. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you a beginner gardener or have you been doing this for years? I read every single one, and it honestly helps me make better videos for you. All right, let's talk tomatoes. Now here's the thing about tomatoes that most garden channels won't tell you. Not every tomato is built for every garden. Some need wide open space, some thrive in tight spots, some are built for heat, some collapse under it. So what we did was put together a list of 21 varieties that cover every type of gardener watching this right now. Small space grower, raised bed gardener, container gardener, backyard farmer, this list has something for all of you. And the best part? Most of these won't cost you a fortune to get started. Let's go through them one by one. Tomato 1. Sun Gold Cherry Tomato. If you have never grown a Sun Gold, you are genuinely missing out. This one produces clusters of small golden orange fruits that are so sweet people literally eat them straight off the vine like candy. It's an indeterminate variety, which means it keeps producing all season long without stopping. Perfect for beginners because it's forgiving, fast, and incredibly rewarding. You plant it once and it just keeps giving. Tomato 2. Mortgage Lifter. The name alone tells you everything. This variety was literally bred by a man in the 1930s who sold enough tomatoes from just a few plants to pay off his entire house mortgage. We're talking massive fruits that can weigh up to 2 pounds each. It's a beefsteak type with a rich, meaty flavor and very few seeds. If you want a tomato that feeds a whole family from a small patch of ground, this is it. Tomato 3. Black Crim. This one looks almost too dramatic to be real. Deep reddish-purple skin, dark interior, and a flavor that's slightly smoky, slightly salty, and incredibly complex. Black Crim originally comes from the Crimean Peninsula, and it does exceptionally well in hot climates. If you live somewhere with intense summer heat, this tomato laughs at it. Tomato 4. Yellow Pear Tomato. Shaped exactly like a tiny pear, bright yellow, and mild in flavor. Kids go absolutely crazy for these because they look fun and taste sweet without any of that sharp acidity. They grow in long, dangling clusters, and one plant can produce hundreds of fruits in a single season. If you want something that makes your garden look beautiful while also being ridiculously productive, yellow pear is your answer. Tomato 5. Roma Tomato. A classic for good reason. Roma is what you grow when you want to make sauce, paste, or canned tomatoes for the winter. It has thick walls, very little water content, and a concentrated flavor that intensifies beautifully when cooked down. It's also a determinate variety, meaning all the fruits ripen around the same time, which makes bulk harvesting and preserving so much easier. Tomato 6. Brandywine. Ask any serious heirloom gardener what their favorite tomato is, and 9 times out of 10, they'll say Brandywine. It's one of the oldest varieties still in circulation, dating back to the late 1800s. The flavor is often described as the standard that every other tomato is measured against. Deep red, large, slightly ribbed, and with a taste that honestly makes you rethink store-bought tomatoes forever. Tomato 7. Sweet 100 Cherry Tomato. If you want sheer volume, Sweet 100 is unmatched. The name refers to the fact that each cluster can hold up to 100 tiny, bright red cherries at once. It's indeterminate, incredibly vigorous, and produces from early summer all the way to first frost. Great for salads, snacking, and roasting whole. One plant in a large container can easily feed a household through the entire season. Tomato 8. Green Zebra. Here's where things start getting genuinely interesting. Green zebra stays green even when fully ripe, with lighter green stripes running across the skin. The flavor is tangy, bright, and slightly tart, completely unlike most red tomatoes. It's a conversation starter in the garden and on the plate. If you've ever wanted a tomato that makes guests ask questions, this is it. All right, real quick, we're about halfway through this list, and I genuinely want to know which one so far is already on your planning list this year. Drop it in the comments right now. And if you haven't liked this video yet, go ahead and tap that like button because it actually helps more gardeners just like you find this content. Now, let's keep going because the second half of this list is where things get really interesting. Tomato 9, Amish paste. Think of this as Roma's bigger, more flavorful cousin. Amish paste tomatoes are large, meaty, and have an incredibly rich flavor that makes the most incredible homemade pasta sauce you'll ever taste. They're an heirloom variety that's been passed down through generations, and the seed-saving community absolutely loves them because they come back true every single year. Tomato 10, chocolate cherry tomato. Don't let the name confuse you. These don't taste like chocolate. What they do have is a deep mahogany color and a rich, almost wine-like flavor that sets them apart from every other cherry tomato on this list. They're small, prolific, and absolutely stunning in a salad. If you want to impress someone with your harvest, a bowl of chocolate cherry tomatoes will do it every single time. Tomato sabalas, celebrity tomato. If reliability is what you're after, celebrity is as dependable as it gets. It's disease-resistant, consistent in size, and produces medium to large red fruits with excellent flavor. It does well in a wide range of climates and doesn't require as much fussing as some of the more temperamental heirloom varieties. For new gardeners who just want a guaranteed harvest, this one almost never lets you down. Tomato 12, indigo rose. This is the darkest tomato you will ever grow. The skin turns almost pure black where it's exposed to sunlight and shifts to a deep red underneath. Indigo rose was developed specifically for its incredibly high antioxidant content, higher than blueberries by some measures. So you're not just growing food here, you're growing something that genuinely supports your health. It tastes firm, slightly tart, and pairs beautifully with fresh mozzarella. Tomato 13, San Marzano. This is the tomato that professional Italian chefs have been fighting over for decades. San Marzano tomatoes have a protected designation of origin in Italy because they are considered irreplaceable in authentic cooking. When you grow your own, you finally understand why. The flavor is balanced, sweet without being one-dimensional, and the flesh is so dense and low in seeds that it basically makes sauce by itself. Growing these at home is one of the most satisfying things a kitchen gardener can do. Tomato 14, Juliet tomato. Here's number 14, the one we mentioned at the start. Juliet is technically classified as a grape tomato, and it holds an actual Guinness World Record for being one of the most productive tomato plants ever documented. One single plant in the right conditions can produce over 60 pounds of fruit in a season. It cracks resistant, disease resistant, and the fruits have a rich, sweet flavor that makes them perfect for roasting, salads, and snacking. If you grow only one tomato from this entire list, make it Juliet. Tomato 15, Cherokee purple. Another heirloom with serious depth. Cherokee purple has dusky rose skin with dark purple shoulders and a smoky, complex flavor that is hard to describe until you actually taste it. It's believed to have originated with Cherokee communities in Tennessee more than a century ago, and seed savers have kept it alive ever since. Growing this variety is almost like preserving a piece of history. Tomato 16, Stupis. Pronounced Stupi Chka. This one comes from the Czech Republic, and it is built for cold climates. If you live somewhere with short summers or late frosts, Stupis will outperform almost everything else on this list. It starts producing fruit earlier than most tomatoes, even begin flowering, and it keeps going through cool fall temperatures that would kill other varieties. Small to medium red fruits with a rich, old-world flavor. Tomato 17, Paul Robeson. Named after the famous African-American singer and activist, this is one of the most celebrated heirloom tomatoes in the world. It has deep brick red and purple skin, incredibly dense flesh, and a smoky, almost earthy flavor that serious tomato growers absolutely love. It does best in warm climates and produces medium to large fruits that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Tomato 18. Super Sweet 100. Similar to Sweet 100, but bred specifically for higher sugar content and better disease resistance. If you've had problems with Sweet 100 splitting or succumbing to disease in the past, Super Sweet 100 was literally created to solve those exact problems. Same incredible productivity, same addictive sweetness, just more durable and reliable across different growing conditions. Tomato 19. Japanese Black Trifle. This one looks like a small black pear and tastes like nothing you've had before. The flavor is rich, almost buttery, with a depth that's closer to a fine wine tomato than anything from a grocery store shelf. It's not the easiest variety to find, but specialty seed companies carry it, and once you grow it once, you'll never stop. Perfect for slicing, roasting, or eating plain with just a little salt. Tomato 20. Castelluto Genovese. This is one of the most visually dramatic tomatoes you can grow. Deeply ribbed, almost like a red accordion, and bursting with intense acidic flavor that is absolutely perfect for Italian cooking. It's an old Italian heirloom that looks as good on a plate as it does hanging on the vine. If aesthetics matter to your garden, Castelluto Genovese brings a kind of beauty that most modern hybrids simply can't match. Tomato 21. Tiny Tim. We're closing the list with this one because it's perfect for anyone who thinks they don't have enough space to grow tomatoes. Tiny Tim is a dwarf determinate variety that maxes out at around 18 inches tall. You can grow it in a 6-inch pot on a windowsill. It produces clusters of bright red cherry tomatoes that are sweet, firm, and absolutely adorable. If you have a balcony, a patio, kitchen window, or even just a sunny corner inside your home, you can grow Tiny Tim. No excuses. And that is all 21. Now here's what I want you to do before you close this video. Go back through that list. Pick your top 3 and drop them in the comments below. I want to see which varieties the earthly gardening community is most excited about this season, because that's going to help me plan exactly which growing guides and care videos we make next. If this video helped you, please hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it genuinely helps this channel reach more gardeners who need this kind of information. And if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. We post every single week, and everything we share is built around helping you grow more while spending less. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.